I'm Mindy Lockard, and today on Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, we're going to be turning the heat up on barbecue and showing you ways to get kids and adults trying new flavors. As an etiquette and lifestyle expert, one of the things I hear a lot is that kids are picky eaters. And while barbecue may not seem super daring, it's a great way to have a family flavor throwdown and get your kids trying some new flavors. So today we're going to be sharing one barbecue sauce, 3 flavorful ways. What we're going to do is we're going to start with the basic homemade barbecue sauce. Now, for this idea, you can actually use any of your favorite barbecue sauces. I like to make my own, and so that's what we're going to do today. The first thing we want to do is heat up our saucepan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add 2 cups of onion and 2 cloves of garlic. After our onion and garlic is translucent, then we're going to add 2 cups of ketchup and 2 cups of pineapple juice. Next, we're going to add the key ingredient to barbecue sauce, which is molasses. I'm going to add a tablespoon, but you can add more or a little less if you'd like. Now we're just going to mix all of the sauce up and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Once our sauce is thickened up, we're going to add it into 3 bowls, and this is where the fun really comes in, where we create all of the different flavored sauces. Our first sauce we're going to make is a honey ginger sauce, and to this sauce we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Glory Bee honey and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and we're just going to mix it really well. For our next sauce, and this is our spicy sauce, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of Kelly's habanero jelly. Now this actually is my favorite sauce. It is so good. Finally, we have our basic sauce that we just made, and these are the 3 sauces that we're going to be putting on our chicken. So now that we're ready to grill, we're going to pull our chicken out of the refrigerator. The key to cooking your chicken here is making sure that your grill is really hot. We're not going to apply any of the sauce until after our first turn. You want to take your chicken legs and put them directly onto the grill 7 minutes on the first side. After the first 7 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over and begin the basting process. We're going to baste, flip and cook for 7 minutes, baste, flip and cook for 7 minutes, for a total of 28 minutes. After your chicken has been on the grill for 28 minutes, we're going to pull it off the grill and let it set for about 10 minutes and cool. Then we're going to put it on a platter and serve it up. And it smells so good. You and your family are going to love this flavor throwdown when you sit at the table and you're trying all of these delicious flavors and talking about them. 1 barbecue sauce, 3 ways.